Hi dear students, how are you all? Today let's start our new lesson, separation of mixtures. What do you mean by a mixture? A mixture is a combination of different substances such that no chemical reaction takes place between them. For example, mixture of food grains and stones, mixture of sugar and water. Air is also a mixture of different gases. Even the food that we eat is also a mixture. For a specific purpose, we need to separate substances from the mixture. For example, we cannot drink tea as it is. We need to separate tea leaves from it. For obtaining salt, we need to separate salt from seawater. Let's understand the purpose for which we need to separate the substances. Separation is needed to remove unwanted substances from the mixture. Water coming to your homes contains impurities such as chemicals, dust particles, microorganisms, etc. Drinking such water could cause health problems. We need to separate these unwanted substances from water. Food grains often contain stones. These stones are not useful. We need to remove them from the food grains for cooking. Separation is needed to obtain a useful substance from the mixture. Iron is obtained from iron ore. The iron ore contains impurities such as dust, sand, etc. We need to separate the iron particles from the mixture. For that, we use magnetic properties of materials. Many times, separation is needed to obtain different useful substances from the mixture. For example, with various separation methods, we get different useful materials from milk such as butter, paneer, cheese, curd, etc. Let's discuss the methods of separating the constituents of mixtures. The following methods are used for this purpose, most of them based on the properties of materials. The first method is hand picking. Hand picking is used for the separation of the components of a mixture which are different in color, size and shape. Housewives often clean pulses and spices by this method. They remove small pebbles, dust, dirt and other unwanted materials using this method. The second one is sieving. Sieving is an extensively used method for separating solids when the constituents of a mixture are of different sizes. You must have seen your mother sieving wheat flour at home. The fine particles of atta pass through the sieve while the bigger particles like wheat bran remains on the sieve. Fine sand can also be separated from gravel by sieving. The third method is winnowing. Winnowing is generally used by farmers to separate grain from husk after threshing. The farmer allows the mixture of a grain and the husk to fall from a height. The grains which are heavier fall vertically down on the ground. The husk which is lighter is carried away by the wind and forms a separate heap at a short distance from the heap of grains. The fourth method is magnetic separation. Magnetic separation is used when one of the components of a mixture is magnetic in nature. Here, the separation is done with the help of a magnet. In many industries, scrap iron is separated from the heap of waste material using electromagnet fitted to a crane. Thank you, dear students. Rest of the methods we will discuss in next video.